Delighted to be here today to officially confirm the new Science Foundation Ireland Research Centre in smart manufacturing. It's extremely important that Ireland focuses on smart manufacturing because we need to be at the cutting edge of new technology, and we want our companies to be able to avail of all of the new discoveries that are being made.
It is a true accolade to the team and to everybody involved in it that you get through this process and get recognised, because these are world-class centres of excellence.
So continuing government investment in scientific research in Ireland is really important for a number of reasons, mostly around having the right talent pool in Ireland to attract foreign direct investment.
Our customers are relying on us to come up with innovative solutions for them, and we would very much see that the collaboration with the Confirm Centre research team will help us to drive that innovation.
This is a facility that will allow companies to come and work with us. Many of the companies are already here in the Midwest and want to develop new technologies and avail of the training and education programme.
We need this for the simple reason that the pace of change has never been faster and it's never going to be slower.
At an international level, Ireland has been listed as a global front-runner to lead in the fourth industrial revolution, second only to Switzerland and Germany. So without further ado, I would like to officially open Confirm.
Research centres such as Confirm are really important to the Irish economy because they allow companies to carry out research without interrupting their production processes. This is really important for competitiveness of the Irish industry as we move towards performing on a global stage where smart manufacturing is going to be the next big thing coming down the line.